So from our orthomosaic map, as you can see here, which is produced by stitching together images captured by a drone, you can also do interesting stuff like vegetative index calculation. So vegetative index show the overall health of your plant. So for example, I calculated the NDVI here. You can change your parameters to visualize more clearly as I've done here. And you can actually start to see that greener areas represent more healthier vegetation, and lighter areas, the vegetation is lacking. You can also have a split view, which you can actually use to analyze your farm side by side, showing the original orthomosaic on the left and the NDVI map. So this helps you in overall to see which areas are concerned and which areas are healthy. You can actually measure areas of concern using our measure tool here. So for example, if you use the polygon tool, you can actually measure the area of concern here, and it actually gives you 508 square meters. So moving on from this, we have also an interesting tool that is the yield map that allows you to sort of generate a yield map of your farm. So this crop is wheat. So we've also trained these on various vegetative indices captured for cash crops, for example, maize, soybean, and wheat. So for example, you can have three number of zones, which is low yield, medium yield, and high yield. We can put our planting date here and the flight date that we did. So for demonstration purposes, I've just produced the yield map here. That is processing on the background. So as you can see, this is the yield map that has been produced, that is pixelated here. So as you can see, it also has a table on the left here where it has calculated the total area, where your high yield are the greener areas here that are pixelated, your low yield are the red areas, and the medium yield are the yellowish areas here. So it can actually give you recommendations for what to do for low yield. For high yield, you should maintain what you were doing in your farm. Then last but not least, we also have a report generation tool that allows you to generate reports after adding points of interest in your farm. And before showing that, we also want to show an interesting feature here where I said we can actually automate everything, starting from connecting our platform to a drone. So if you come to this tab and you name, for example, this is Harare Sports Club that you see here. So you can name Harare Sports Club. So if you want us to connect your DJI drone so that it flies, you can actually set the altitude that you want to fly, let's say 150 for scouting, and the direction at 212 degrees. Then you have to draw a polygon of the area that you want to scout. So I'm just drawing the field here. Then after you draw the polygon, then you actually click save on your platform. So once you click save, you see the red dot here. It means there is no drone connected here. Where the drone could have connected it, and you can even set the drone speed, the gimbal pitch of the camera. After you save this and there's a green icon here indicating drone is connected, you will see that your drone will arm and start and fly over this field and download the data to our software, which can start processing immediately. So we are increasing the use of automation here in farming so that you do this without hassle. So you can also import projects here. Once again, these will be the drone images, for example, UZ Farm. And you can test our connection with the drone image processing engine, and you select what you want here. For example, the orthophoto digital surface map for irrigation insights that you can see. Then once you start, you need to import your images from a folder. For example, these are the images that you can select. For time's sake, I think I'll just select 3. Then you start, you name your farm, and you save and continue, and you can actually start processing. So this is in a nutshell what we have developed so far.